Good morning, my name is Jacob George. Today I'd like to discuss with you about the foreign exchange market and the top 3 market participants in the foreign exchange market. Before we begin, I'd like to give you a little bit of background on the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market is the market with the largest daily trading volume. It has nearly 5.3 trillion in daily transactions. Of the 5.3 trillion, we see that 2 trillion goes to spot transactions and 2.2 trillion to foreign exchange swaps. Of the 5.3 trillion, the top 4 currencies traded are the US dollar with an 87% share, the euro with a 33% share, the Japanese yen with a 23% share, and the Great Britain pound with a 12% market share. The foreign exchange market is a 24-hour market, and some of the major participants are large multinational banks. The top 3 include Deutsche Bank, Citi, and Barclays, which we will discuss shortly. Deutsche Bank has a yearly 15% market share in total transactions and volume, and in fact their 9 years running is the number 1 in the Euromoney poll for volume traded. However, in 2013 we see that while they had an increased trade volume, they had lower revenue, and the financial report from Deutsche Bank noted that this was due to margin compression and market uncertainty. In fact, foreign exchange rate movements led them to have a reduced balance sheet by 37 billion euros. To counter some of the margin compression, they've been taking riskier foreign exchange transactions, and their value at risk rose from 15.3% in 2012 to 23% in 2013. Citibank has followed number 2 by 14.9% market share, and we see that Citibank will experience a 10% drop in trading revenue. This is largely due to the $2.4 billion currency hit they took because of the large changes in the Indian rupee's pricing. We see that by year end, this will be approximately 5 to 7 billion in losses due to a currency hit because of both the Dominican pesos and the Indian rupee. Barclays was number 3 at 10.2% market share. Their fixed income, currency, and commodities division showed a 26% decrease from Q3 2012 to Q3 2013. And this is like all the others on this list, this is more due to the environment for foreign currencies and not necessarily a systemic issue within the bank. However, we do see one major issue with both Citibank and Barclays. They are both having to be investigated by the feds in Europe and the United States due to their participation in the LIBOR rate fixing scandal. I hope this was informative. Thank you for listening today.